Hello! Welcome to our new life hacks video. Today we are going to introduce new technology ideas and shortcuts. Let's move on to hack number 1. Create a Wi-Fi QR code for your guests. This hack is a two-step process, but it's worth doing. By the end, you'll never have to give out your Wi-Fi password again. First, visit qrstuff.com and use it to create a unique QR code based on your network details. Then print out the QR code. That's it. Hack number 2. Turn your old phone into a security camera. Much like the hack for turning disused phones into dash cams, you can also use an old phone as a smart home camera alternative. With a simple app called Manything, you can put the old device to new use. Turn an old phone into a dash cam. If you've got an old phone just lying around gathering dust, then you could put it to better use by using it as a dash cam. With a good charging cable, screen mount and a dedicated dashcam app, you can create a brilliant dashcam device for very little money. See link in the description. Want tech tips and tricks? Subscribe now.